Chapter 3. Explore GIMP. Learning Targets. Introduction to GIMP. Key features of GIMP. Getting started with GIMP. Key components of the GIMP interface. Creating a new file. Opening an existing file. Working with tools. Working with layers. A basic image can be transformed into something extraordinary using photo editing software. Programs like Photoshop, GIMP, and Paint.net allow you to modify and improve your photos. In this chapter, you will explore GIMP, a popular image editing tool that enables you to refine and perfect your creative ideas. Introduction to GIMP. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It is a free and powered software used for a variety of tasks such as photo retouching, image composition, and image creation. It is widely used by both beginners and professionals for enhancing and editing photos. The program offers a wide range of features for improving and editing photographs as well as combining different images. GIMP provides several tools that support complex photo editing tasks. In addition to its editing capabilities, it includes a built-in file manager to help you organize your work efficiently. One of its key features is a customizable interface. Whether you are new to photo editing or a skilled professional, you can adjust the layout of the program to suit your preferences. For instance, beginners may choose a simpler interface with only basic tools visible, while professionals can arrange advanced features for more precise control. GIMP offers great customization options for its interface. You can adjust the tools, workspace colors, and widget spacing to create a setup that suits your needs. For example, if you prefer a darker theme or need more space between tools for better visibility, you can easily make these changes, making GIMP a flexible choice for all users. Tech Info. You can download GIMP from https://www.gimp.org/download/. Key features of GIMP. GIMP, a freeware, offers many advanced features found in paid applications. Its popularity comes from the wide range of features it provides, making it a strong choice for editing images. Some key features of GIMP include photo retouching. GIMP offers powerful tools to improve and correct photos, such as adjusting brightness, contrast, and removing imperfections. Image composition. GIMP allows you to combine multiple images, making it easy to create collages or merge elements from different photos. Customizable interface. GIMP lets you personalize the interface by adjusting theme colors, icons, and layout to match your preferences. This makes tasks like cropping, resizing, and editing more efficient. It also includes a full-screen editing mode, allowing you to focus on enhancing every detail of the image. Advanced tools. GIMP includes advanced editing tools like layers, masks, filters, and selection tools to give you full control over your images. Free and open source, GIMP is completely free to download and use, with a large community that contributes to its continuous improvement. File management. GIMP has a built-in file manager to help you organize and access your projects easily. Wide file format support. GIMP supports various file formats including TIFF tagged image file format, GIF graphics interchange format, PNG, portable network graphics, and JPEG joint photographic experts group, as well as less common types. You can also use plugins to expand the available formats. GIMP also lets you save files in compressed formats like .zip, zip archive, or .gzip, which helps make the file sizes smaller. TechByte. In GIMP, plugins are extra tools that you can add to the program to make it more powerful. These tools are created by other developers and can help you do things that are not available in the regular version of GIMP. For example, plugins can let you open more types of image files, add special effects or filters, Automate tasks like editing many pictures at once. plugins help you customize GIMP and add features that are useful for your specific needs. Getting started with GIMP. To start GIMP, follow the steps given below. 1. Type GIMP in the Windows search bar next to the Start button. 2. Click on the GIMP app when it appears in the search results. 3. The GIMP 2.10 welcome screen will open, followed by the main GIMP window. Key components of the GIMP interface. The key components of the GIMP window are as follows. Title bar. It is the topmost horizontal bar that displays the name of the program. Menu bar. It is located below the title bar. The menu bar gives access to various commands and options such as File, Edit, Image, and Tools. Toolbox. The toolbox contains all the tools you need for editing images such as selection tools, drawing tools, and transformation tools. It is usually located on the left side of the screen. Tool options. It is located below the toolbox. It displays the options for the currently selected tool. Rulers. Rulers appear above and to the left of the image. They help you measure and determine the coordinates within the image, with the default unit set to pixels. You can change the unit of measurement through the status bar. Rulers are helpful for creating precise guides and aligning elements in your design. Image window. This is where your open images are displayed. Each image appears in its own separate window, allowing you to view and edit the image you are working on. Canvas. The canvas is the main area inside the image window where you see and work on your image. It is typically a blank space where the visual content you are editing is displayed. Layers panel. This panel displays the layers of the active image and allows you to manage them. Layers let you work on different parts of an image separately, making the editing process more flexible and easier to control. Dockable dialogs. These panels show settings for specific tasks, like managing layers, brushes, or patterns. You can move them around to fit your workspace or dock them to the sides of the window for easy access. They help keep your tools organized and readily available while you work. Status bar. This area at the bottom of the window shows helpful information about your current task, such as the position of your cursor or the current tool being used. Tech Byte. The term dockable means you can attach these panels to the edges of the window, keeping your workspace organized. Tech Byte. GIMP offers two window modes. Single window mode. In this mode, all of GIMP's components such as the toolbox, menus, and image windows are contained in one large window. It is a more organized layout and is easier to manage. Multiple window mode. This mode separates the image windows from the rest of the interface. Each image opens in its own window, and the toolbox and other panels like layers and brushes are in separate windows. This mode is useful if you like to work with several images at once. Creating a new file. To create a new file in GIMP, do as follows. 1. Click on the File menu and select New option. 2. The Create a New Image dialog box appears as shown in Figure 3.3b. In the Image Size section, define the details such as template, width, and height. Use the Advanced Options section to adjust the resolution, color space, and precision. 3. Once the details are specified, click OK. A new file will open in the image window, ready for editing. Opening an existing file. To open an existing file, follow these steps. 1. Click on the File menu and select Open option, Fig 3.4. 2. In the Open Image dialog box, navigate to the location of the file you want to open Fig 3.5. 3. Select the file and click Open. The image file will appear in a new window for editing Fig 3.6. Keyboard hacks. To create a new file, press Ctrl plus N key combination. To open an existing file, press Ctrl plus O key combination. Working with tools. GIMP offers a wide range of tools that allow you to perform various tasks such as selection, drawing, transformation, and image enhancement. Let us learn about some of the key tools in GIMP and their functions. Selection tools. Selection tools allow you to isolate parts of an image for editing. The main selection tools in GIMP include Tool, Description, Rectangle Select Tool. This tool selects rectangular areas of the image. It is useful for selecting areas with straight edges. It can also be used to create a rectangle or square on an image. Ellipse Select Tool. It selects elliptical or circular areas of an image. Free Select Tool. Lasso. This selection tool allows freehand selection of irregular shapes. Fuzzy Select Tool. Magic Wand. It lets you select areas with similar colors. Select by Color Tool. This tool selects all areas with the same color throughout the image. Scissors Select Tool. This selection tool makes selections around irregular shapes by clicking along edges. It automatically connects points based on color differences. Using Rectangle Select Tool. To use the Rectangle Select Tool, follow these steps. 1. Open your image. In the toolbox, locate and select the Rectangle Select Tool. Once selected, your mouse pointer will turn into a crosshair indicating the tool is active. 2. Click and drag the mouse over the image to draw a rectangular selection. Release the mouse button once you have highlighted the area you want to focus on. 3. You will notice 4 small resizing handles around your selection. Click and drag these handles to resize the area. 4. When you are satisfied with your selection, you can either click inside the selection box or simply press the Enter key to confirm. Similarly, you can create selections using other selection tools. Figure 3.9 displays selections made using different selection tools. Paint tools. These tools help you add or adjust color, draw, and paint on an image. Tool. Description. Paintbrush tool. This tool is used for freehand painting. It offers a variety of brushes to create different effects, such as smooth strokes or textured lines. Pencil tool. It works similar to the paintbrush, but it draws with hard, sharp lines. Airbrush tool. It applies color softly, like spray paint. It is great for blending colors or creating smooth, gradual shading effects. Clone tool. It lets you copy a part of an image and paint it somewhere else. It is useful for fixing or removing parts of an image by duplicating nearby pixels. Healing tool. This painting tool is used to correct imperfections or blemishes by blending the affected area with surrounding pixels. Gradient tool. It creates smooth color transitions between multiple colors. It is ideal for designing backgrounds or adding shading effects. Bucket fill tool. It fills an area with a solid color or pattern. It is good for coloring in spaces quickly. Ink tool. The ink tool works like an ink pen. It helps you draw solid brush strokes. You can change the nib size, shape, and angle to control how the lines look. Eraser tool. It is used to remove colored areas from the active layer or a specific selection within that layer. It is useful when you want to erase parts of an image. Blur sharpen tool. This tool has 2 functions. The blur tool makes parts of an image look soft or blurry. The sharpen tool makes areas of an image look clearer and more detailed by increasing the contrast. Smudge tool. This tool mixes colors by dragging them around. It helps to soften lines and blend colors to create smooth or blurry effects. Dodge burn tool. These tools are used to adjust the brightness of an image. The dodge tool makes areas lighter to add highlights. The burn tool makes areas darker to create shadows. These tools help add depth and contrast to an image. Using Paintbrush tool. The Paintbrush tool is used to create smooth strokes with the foreground color in an image. It can be used to paint on images, selections, or layers. To use the Paintbrush tool, follow these steps. 1. Open an image. 2. Select the Paintbrush tool in the toolbox. 3. Choose a brush type and set the brush size in the Tool Options pane, 3.11. 4. In the toolbox, double-click on the Foreground Color box. The Change Foreground Color dialog box appears as shown in Figure 3.12. 5. Select the color you want and click OK. 6. Move the pointer over the image. Click and drag the mouse pointer to apply brush strokes. Transform tools. These tools allow you to modify the shape, size, or position of an image. You have already used similar tools while working with drawing software like Paint, Paint 3D, and Krita in the previous grades. Tool. Icon. Description. Move tool. This tool lets you move the selected part of the image or entire layers around the canvas. Scale tool. It changes the size of the image or a selected area. You can make it bigger or smaller. Rotate tool. This tool rotates the selected part or the entire image to any angle. It is useful for fixing the direction of objects. Flip tool. It lets you flip the selected part or the entire image, either horizontally or vertically. It creates a mirrored effect. Crop tool. This tool is used to remove unwanted parts of an image. You define a rectangular selection and then trim the image to keep only the selected area. This tool is great for focusing on the main subject and improving the composition by removing unnecessary background. Using the crop tool. To use the crop tool, follow these steps. 1. Click on the crop tool in the toolbox. The mouse pointer will change to a crop symbol. 2. Press and hold the left mouse button, then drag the crop symbol over the image to create a rectangular selection. Release the mouse button when you are done. The area outside the selection will appear darker, Fig 3.16. 3. To complete the crop, double-click anywhere inside the selected area or press the Enter key. The selected area will remain on the workspace and the rest of the image will be removed. Fig 3.17. Additional tools. There are tools that help you work better with images. These tools let you pick colors, add text, and zoom in or out to see details more clearly. They make it easier to improve your designs and make them look better. The table below describes these tools. Tool. Icon. Description. Color Picker tool. This tool lets you pick a color from the image. You can use it to match colors or choose specific shades. Text tool. It adds and edits text in the image. You can customize font, size, and other text attributes. Zoom tool. This tool allows you to zoom in or out on your image to see more details or get a better overview. To zoom in, click on the area you want to enlarge. To zoom out, hold the Ctrl key and click. You can also adjust the zoom level using the zoom drop-down list present at the bottom of the screen. Tech Byte. Filters in GIMP. Filters and effects are tools that can change the way an image looks. For example, Gaussian blur. It makes the image look blurry, which helps smooth out rough edges or create a soft effect. Drop shadow. It adds a shadow behind an object, making it look like it is floating above the background. Distort LT changes the shape of the image, like making it wavy or adding ripples. Noise. It adds or removes tiny dots called noise from the image. Adding noise makes the image look grainy, while removing it can make the image clearer. Working with layers. In GIMP, layers are like clear sheets stacked on top of each other. The program starts with one layer, but you can add as many layers as you want. When an image has multiple objects, it is a good idea to put each object on its own layer. This way, you can work on one part of the image without changing the others. In GIMP, you can see all your layers in the Layers panel. This panel shows small previews called thumbnails of each layer. From here, you can create new layers, delete layers, and change their order. You can also add effects and styles to different layers to change how they look. Adding a new layer. To add a new layer, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Layer menu. Select the New Layer option, Fig 3.18. 2. The New Layer dialog box opens Fig 3.19. Define the layer name, color, mode, opacity, width, and height value as per the requirement. Click on the OK button. In the Layers panel, the thumbnail of a new blank layer appears right above the current layer. Tech tip. To quickly add a new layer, simply click on the Create a New Layer button available at the right bottom of the Layers panel. Keyboard hacks. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus N key combination to create a new layer. Renaming a layer. To rename a layer, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Layers panel and double-click on the layer thumbnail that you wish to rename. 2. The Layer Attributes dialog box appears. Fig 3.21. 3. In the Layer Name field, enter a new name. 4. Click OK. Tech tip. In the Layers panel, double-click on the layer name. The existing layer name gets highlighted. Type a new name. Deleting a layer. To delete a layer, follow these steps. 1. In the Layers panel, select the layer to be deleted. 2. Click on the Layer menu. Delete Layer option, Fig 3.2. Or click on the Delete this layer button present in the Layers panel, Fig 3.20. The selected layer will be deleted, making a layer invisible. To hide show a layer, follow these steps. 1. On the Layers panel, click on the icon present next to the layer thumbnail, 3.23 area. The layer turns invisible as shown in the figure 3.23b. Notice no image is visible on the left pane. Click again on the same icon box to make the layer visible. Tech Byte. You can change the order of the layers simply by dragging them to the desired position on the Layers panel. Duplicating a layer. Duplicating a layer creates an exact copy of the active layer. To duplicate a layer, follow these steps. 1. In the Layer menu, select the Duplicate Layer option, Fig 3.24. 2. A copy of the layer will appear in the Layers panel. The new layer will have the same name as the original, with copy added at the end, Fig 3.25. Wrap up. GIMP GNU Image Manipulation Program is a free and open-source image editing software used for tasks like photo retouching, image composition, and creation. The GIMP interface consists of key components like the title bar, menu bar, toolbox, tool options, rulers, image window, canvas, layers panel, dockable dialogs, and status bar. GIMP offers a variety of tools for selection, painting, and transforming images, including the rectangle select tool, paintbrush, pencil, clone tool, and crop tool, each catering to specific editing needs. Layers in GIMP function like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, enabling users to separate elements of an image for easier editing. Layers can be added, renamed, deleted, duplicated, or hidden, giving users flexibility in managing their work.